L.
Can you please spell that for me?
LED. DLE. I mean EL.
Thank you so much. Is it okay if I call you by your first name?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yes, thank you, Chuck. How may I help you today?
My friend sent me a DVD. He's from like England, and he won't play my Xbox. But like he said, when I sent him a DVD, like from America, like it worked in his Xbox. That's fucked up.
The DVD player
Is he actually
not
talking
working
to
on
somebody
his
or
Xbox?
recording?
No. Like my friend sent me a DVD from like England,
Okay.
and it won't work on my Xbox.
The DVD came from England.
Yeah. Here you go.
It's not working on your Xbox.
No, it says can't play DVD. The disc region is like incorrect for this console.
So just to make sure if I understood you correctly, you said that your friend sent you a DVD. Is it a movie or a player?
No. It wouldn't be a player. It's a DVD that goes in my Xbox like a DVD. You know, like a movie. It's like a movie, but it's not a movie. It's like a season.
Okay. So it's not playing on your Xbox right now.
Yeah, that's correct right now.
Okay. So I do understand your concern, but don't you worry. I'll be more than happy to assist you. And rest assured that we're going to resolve that issue. Okay, so before that, I'll be asking some information first.
Okay.
Can you please have the serial number of the console?
I think it got scratched off or something.
I'm sorry?
It's like an older Xbox and it got scratched.
Do you see USB port in front of the console?
Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Okay, you can check it in front of the console. Just look for the USB port.
Yeah. Well, like my little brother like scratched it, or like drew on it or something with his like pens. I hate that kid.
Okay, is your console power on right now?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, we could check it on the dashboard. Can you please go to system area or system settings?
Okay, hang on.
Once you go to system settings, kindly go to console settings.
Hang on, right now. Hang on. My Xbox. I hate this new update. Like, what is with that? My avatar sucks. Would I be on console settings?
Yes, and then go to system info at the bottom.
And wait a second. Junior, put the fucking crayons down! Get away from the TV, Junior! You fuck! Get away from the TV! He's fucking with the TV again. I hate this kid. So, which is it, sorry? Setup?
Are you on the console settings right now?
Yeah, I'm in console settings right now.
Yes, go to system info on the left.
Hang on. Well, the last one I've got's Welcome Channel. No, like, I went down to the bottom of the list, and it's like, remote control, and then welcome channel. But I turned that off because I hate it. But, like, would this help my DVD work?
I'm sorry?
Like, I was just asking, will this help my DVD, like, work?
We will find out, okay? So, you said that it's not a DVD movie, right?
No, well, yeah, it's like a movie. You know, it's just a season, like, you know, like Simpsons or Family Guy or Frasier or Malcolm in the Middle or Futurama or, yeah, it's a series, yeah, there you go.
So, is it on the CD format?
Yeah, it's a DVD, like, I think it's like, hang on, it says, Region 2 and 4.
Okay. So, it's not playing on your console right now?
No, it's not playing right now.
So, we're able to find the serial number of the console?
No, that's what I'm saying, like, my brother, like, drew on it with a fucking Crayola or something.
We're able to find the system info on the dashboard.
Oh no, as I say, the last thing I've got is like welcome channel. And then I think he drew on the TV.